Hello guys, for today's video, I will show you my cage humidifier. But first, what is humidifier? Using a humidifier is a way to increase the humidity level in a room or the whole building. Using humidifiers may help alleviate discomfort caused by dry air in various parts of the body. Humidifiers are used in a variety of industries to keep the air dry and prevent mold development. Art museums, for example, utilize high-quality humidifiers that are connected to the HVAC system so that the art may be preserved for future generations. Glue stick and glue gun. Glue guns and glue sticks are used for parts assembly, repairs, and bonding the similar materials. Coax Wacto bottle can be used as a water storage of the humidifier. Ultrasonic circuit board. Cutter, one whose work is cutting or involves cutting wood or glass cutters. The humidifier cotton swab. Popsicle sticks, using to add design in humidifier. And glue stick.
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show